The accountant 3 blocks from you will pay $4,000 a month, every month, for something you could learn to do in 90 days. The accountant is not alone. Her whole street is waiting. Here is what almost nobody has noticed. Nearly 7 in 10 small businesses now say they use AI. But fewer than 1 in 5 have actually built it into how their business runs. That space between them, the gap between wanting AI and actually using it, is the whole opportunity. The salon, the dentist, the vet, the insurance agent. They all know they need this. Almost none of them know how. This is a 2026 thing. The tools finally work. They are cheap, and there is one for almost every kind of shop. What is missing is the person who picks the right one, sets it up, trains the staff, and keeps it running. And that person is rare. AI consulting rates are climbing 12 to 18% a year because demand is outrunning the number of people who can actually do it. So look at what that person actually charges. It starts small. An audit of the business, $1,500 to $3,000. That leads to a project, setting everything up over 60 to 90 days, $8,000 to $15,000. And the project becomes a retainer, $1,500 to $4,000 a month, because AI keeps moving and they want someone they trust to keep them ahead. Stack 4 of those retainers and you are at $10,000 a month. Recurring, $120,000 a year from a business that did not exist 12 months ago. You are not building AI. You do not need to be an engineer or wear a suit. You are the trusted local guide who walks a business owner through adopting AI without getting it wrong. You pick one kind of business and you learn it cold. Accounting, salons, dental, vets. More than 10 of them work. The vendors will never drive to that shop, learn the staff, and make it actually stick. You will. That is the entire job, and it is genuinely hard to automate away because the asset is trust. Picture someone ordinary, a former office manager, no consulting background, a little nervous. She starts with one salon she knows. She just watches how it runs, and she spots the leak fast. After hours, the phone rings and nobody answers. About 40% of those callers, gone. So she sets up one thing. An AI receptionist that answers every call, day or night, and books the appointment. Weeks later, that salon is catching 85% of those calls. $3,800 a month in bookings that used to vanish. She did not invent anything. She closed one leak. And the owner looks at her differently now. Her next salon is a paid client. $2,500 a month, then a second. That is not a genius. That is a regular person who picked a lane, learned it, and showed up. Her first year from a standing start was about $94,000. The gap on her street was the same gap that is on yours right now. Now the honest part, because this is real, and I will not pretend it is easy. This is not money this month. Your first paying client is usually 5 to 7 months out. A stacked $10,000 a month practice is a 12 to 18 month build. Most people quit somewhere in the slow middle, around months 4 to 8, right before it works. The real work is not the AI. It is the outreach, the conversations, the showing up. If you want easy, this is not it. If you want real, it is right here. We built the entire playbook, which vertical to pick, the exact skills and where to learn each one, the audit that opens the door, the full sales conversation, every word, including the 12 objections and how to answer them, the implementation playbook, and the path from your first 3 clients to a stack of retainers. It is one blueprint. Local businesses near you are scrambling. Be their guide. ideasrepay.com